Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Legend of Korra Season 4, Episode 10. As you can hear, my voice is like that. It's better. Maybe you can think that my voice is totally broken. It was. During 2 days, I couldn't make any sound. Right there, it's better. It's not that much better, but it's better. I'm gonna try still to not use it too much, to not force it too much, and that's why I don't know if today I'm gonna watch 1 episode, 2 episodes, 3 episodes, 4 episodes. I don't know. It's gonna depend on my voice. I think maybe only 2 because I want to be okay, you know, for the 2 final episodes of The Legend of Korra, of this binge watching, of these 2 binge watchings together, you know, Avatar The Last Airbender and The Legend of Korra. I want to be alright for this final episode, so maybe only 2, maybe only 1, you know, if at the end of this episode I'm really like, I can't talk anymore. I'm sick since 1 week now. I have issues with my voice since 3 days. I'm blaming, you know, the temperatures for that. All of the day, it's so sunny that into my apartment it's 25 degrees, outside it's 2 degrees. How do you want my body to be okay with this difference of temperatures? Really, I can't. And I really lost my voice, you know, when I watched all of the season 2 of The Witcher. That was so weird, you know. You saw my evolution during all of these videos. It was weird. And yes, you're watching that on Patreon at the beginning of the year. Hello! Happy New Year! I hope that you spent good holidays. And on YouTube it's gonna be like at the end of January, because on Patreon we have 4 episodes of advance, which is a lot, so that's why, you know, I'm so much in advance. And for Patreon I want to spend some good holidays with my family and my friends. That's why I'm already filming the stuff that you're gonna have at the beginning of the year. That's why. To not be stressed, you know, at the beginning of the year, being like, oh, I need to film quickly so they can have their videos. That's why also maybe if I see that my voice is really too bad, I'm gonna film only 1 episode today, and we'll see when I'm gonna be able to film the other ones. Also, it's the beginning of the day. As you can see, the sun is coming like that. Maybe at some point I'm gonna be forced to close my blinds, maybe to put my ring light. We'll see how it's gonna be. La 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 la. It's better. Maybe for you it's not, but for me I know that it's better. My nose is not taken anymore. It's really only my voice, and it's not even painful, which is weird. My voice was never painful, and still it's broken like that. It's so weird. I'm glad to be there for The Legend of Korra. I'm glad because I'm optimist, which is weird. We're close to the end and I'm optimist. Like, we have Bolin who is back with our guys. He made peace with our guys, and he made peace also a little with Opal. At least he's gonna go on a mission with her to release all of Sue's family, and that's great. We're gonna have a mission like that for the Beifong family. We have also Korra, who is finally okay. She can do everything because Zaire taught her so it was so cool. I mean, we have so many reasons to be optimistic, and even if I'm not optimistic at all about what they did with these vines, you know, of the swamp, I'm optimistic that because of the swamp being attacked, we're gonna have Toph helping with that. It's gonna be cool also. See, I'm really optimistic, so it's weird. It's almost like I'm waiting for them to do something wrong, so I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna be like, that's it, now I'm losing hope. I don't know if it can happen and how can make that like that, you know, for me. We'll see. I'm not gonna make a long intro because of the lights. You know, like, I'm trying to run faster than the light for my voice. Also, I'm trying to avoid to push it too much. Oh, I hope that nothing is gonna happen, like nothing really bad or nothing really exciting. I really hope that. No. I want stuff to be exciting, but you know me, I'm not gonna be able to control myself, and I'm gonna try to scream, you know, during these moments without even thinking about it, and for my voice, it's gonna be awful. Oh yeah. Yes, maybe only one episode, in fact. We'll see. Or maybe I can react to this episode, you know, in an ASMR style. Like I'm gonna be like that during all of the intro and all of the review. Do you really want that? I'm not sure. I know that some of you told me that my voice can be relaxing and that you want me to try to make ASMR videos, but really I don't think that you want that. It can be really annoying. And it's not me, you know. I'm someone who is talking a lot, for sure, and I'm someone who is so expressive with my reactions, and that's why I'm making reaction videos, but also with how I am, like, I need to talk with my hands all of the time, and I know that my voice is going like that. During the editing, it's really rough, you know, sometimes when I'm editing, because I'm like, you scream, like, come on. And that's why I'm putting to you, like, be careful if you have earphones and stuff like that. So I don't want to control that, but maybe I'm gonna need to for this episode. I will see that. Okay, let's go for this episode 10. Remember, if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier. If you have this on YouTube, maybe we're already at the end of the season, in fact, on Patreon today. Maybe you can be interested by that, and I'm putting also extended off reaction part. Check the description to know that. And it's the best way to support me. If you can't, it's okay. You can like, subscribe, comment, all of this stuff. It's helping also. Let's go for this episode 10 with this voice. Well, yes. La 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 la. Operation Bayfang.
We'll have to go in for a closer look. Don't bother. All the prisoners have been moved. Hey, Chief.
Mom! Oh, you took me by surprise, and
Oh, man.
your hero!
This can't be happening.
What, do you have to pee or something?
You're my hero. My name's Bolin. I'm dating your granddaughter. I mean, kind of. I may have screwed that up, but that's why I'm here.
Oh,
You're
fuck.
my hero. Can I have a hug too?
What's up with him?
You're gonna love him.
There's a factory and re-education facility not too far away.
How do you know that?
The one
Ben used to work
you helped these people.
What did you two geniuses come up with to fend off Kuvira?
It's a
So we're gonna have the two things. Okay.
The idea from watching Dragonfly Hummingbird.
Where does the spirit ray come out?
It doesn't have a spirit ray. I'm telling you what I told Kuvira. That technology should not be used.
It's already being used by Kuvira.
think so.
I need spirit vine weapons, and I need them now.
No!
We should be evacuating the ordinary citizens so that if Kuvira attacks, they won't be hurt.
That's actually a good idea.
Yes!
Prince
We are
Wu-
all surprised. And
Now,
it's
let
an
me look
idea
into it. I want daily
that you have because you care about people, your people.
Nice job in there. I'm proud of you. You're starting to act like the kind of king I'd like to work for.
Thanks. And if Cora buys this man and the people thing,
Julie, initialize phase 1.
Julie. I didn't lose hope.
There's a problem with the condenser. It's backing up.
Shut it down.
Can't. The override isn't working. Everyone needs to evacuate. This thing is going to blow.
On purpose, you did that on purpose. Come on, Julie.
This channeling ring was cracked. That's what caused the reaction to overload.
By someone.
I think I know where they are. Feel that cavern a few stories down?
Right. Why would you need soldiers guarding an empty cavern? You've been working on this the entire time, Julie. What do you think the problem is?
It's a very complex
I really think so.
But you're doing everything you can to fix those, correct?
Of course, Your Eminence.
You're suspicious also.
I didn't come to fight with Kuvira or destroy a cannon. I'm here to save my family. It will take
You're a family person?
everything we-
Vera wants every single one of her people to see the weapon test tomorrow. So the factory will be mostly empty then. That's our best chance to sneak in.
Good thinking, Bolin.
Thanks. Kind of have a headache.
Even blockheads like you can figure it out with the right instruction.
Yeah. You're a real sensitive
Hey, learn how to love it, Ben.
He's so good.
Maybe you do have some talent.
I can't believe you think I'm talented. That means so much to me coming from my hero. Who's Lynn's dad?
He was a guy named Kanto. Nice man, but it didn't really work out between us.
Kanto? I can't remember.
Yeah, let's not linger on the fact that I grew up without a dad. No need to get all touchy-feely about it.
I forgave you for all your garbage a long time ago, and Sue and I worked things
Her garbage?
You're the
She did what?
I remember why we stopped talking. You make me furious, and you don't even know why. And when I tell you, you don't care. Once we save Sue, you and I are finished.
No, 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 no.
If that's your decision and it makes you happy, then fine.
Tough. Now you're lying.
Ready?
Go. You three fighting together. Oh, that's so cool.
We'll get you out one at a time. Come on. And believe me, this is only the beginning. Fire the weapon.
Julie, Julie, Julie.
What's wrong? Probably something minor. I should be able to find the problem.
The distributor pin is gone.
Someone took it. Oh no, 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 that's dangerous for her to discover
You
that.
swore your loyalty to me.
You're a monster. I regret nothing.
Change
Julie!
the target tower.
Fuck.
I didn't do all this way to stop now. Fire when ready. I want to see that town destroyed.
Girls. Cool.
Kira caught Julie and threw her in the town.
What? No, I have to go save her.
You can't go linger, kid. It's suicide.
We've been through too much together. I can't leave her.
Oh.
You said Julie was lying about fixing the cannon. She must have been trying to stop it. Julie doesn't make mistakes. You guys leave.
Oh,
We'll
it's
get
so
out of Mexico
cool.
Somehow.
Bolin, no! You guys get out of here. I have to go with Bolin.
Could be our best chance to stop Kavira. Maybe take out that weapon.
If you all want to get yourselves captured again or worse, that's your business. I'm through.
Watch out for Batar Senior and Huan.
Tough.
Since I opened the portals, spirits and humans have lived happily together in Republic City. It's time for you to help me save it from Kuvira, who is perverting spirit power to use as a weapon against other humans.
We don't get involved with human war.
You're involved. Whether you want it or not, you're part of this world now, also.
To save the new world we all share.
What you want is exactly what Kuvira wants. To use spirits as a weapon in a human war.
Please, listen.
It's not
If
that.
spirits and humans are going to live together, we have to work with each other.
None of them would help.
No! We have to stop the test!
Yes, you do. Sue against Kuvira, you know, she was a mentor. She's good, Kuvira, we know that. Good boys. You're blocked! Tough.
You give metal benders a bad name!
Okay, you escaped, you helped Julie.
I'm sorry for what I said last night. I was just, you know.
You needed to say it.
I know I wasn't a great mother, but one way or another, I ended up with two great kids. If you can just find some way not to hate me, maybe that's enough, at least for me.
Really?
Me too.
I never had any family except for my brother until a few years ago, and reuniting with them made me realize how
Enough!
Aren't you coming back to Republic City with us, Grandma?
No, my fighting days are over.
Really?
At some point, you gotta leave it to the kids.
I want to thank
It
you
means
for
that we're not gonna have any reunion with Katara or Zuko.
I think Dylan has worked his way out of the polar bear doghouse.
I'm afraid I have bad news to deliver to Republic City. Kuvira is going to attack in 2 weeks.
You know our plan? Oh, it's so cool! I know that it sounded bad, what Julie just said, but it's cool that we know our plan. I'm so optimist, maybe too much. I don't know if you can see me, but me, I can't see you. Like really, the sun is like that. But I think that I'm gonna end with that because, you know, to put the ring light only for this review, and I'm gonna make a short review, you know, for my voice to not use it too much, because I'm gonna try, yes, at least one more episode today. Maybe I'm gonna keep the 2 last ones for tomorrow, but at least one more episode today, later on the day, to make my voice rest a little between episodes. Oh, that was such a cool episode, because Toph was there for sure. She was reunited with Lin. You know, that discussion that they had, I'm glad that Lin said what she had to say to her mother, because it was something that she wanted to say to her since a long time. The fact that Toph can't hear it, you know, can't really apologize, you know, for what she did and all. Like, it's tough, we know that she doesn't consider that she made a mistake. Like, she's someone, she's doing what she thinks which is right during the moment, and she's never gonna look at it again and say, okay, I regret what I did. No, she's gonna be like, I did what I had to do and that's all. And at the end, if the end is good, it's enough for me. And that's what she's saying, you know, at the end, like, I'm okay for you to not love me as long as you're not hating me. Maybe she's truly okay with that. She doesn't need more than that, because her and her conscience are okay with what happened, with the fact that she had her daughters and she raised them like that. I would have loved, you know, for a real moment of truth, of Toph being like, you're right, maybe, yes, I was not the best mother and maybe I could have done things differently, but it's done and I can't come back to that. Maybe I'm gonna be there for you now. No, that's not Toph. She's not saying that, and she's not gonna do that, because she loves too much to be independent. She loves too much to be all alone also. I understand that it's logic with her character. I would have loved something different, and I would have loved for her to stay, you know, because yes, I want this reunion between our old friends. And you know what Toph is saying to justify that, like, that's it, I'm too old, it's the kids, you know, now that need to fight. It's almost like the writer saying to the viewers, stop wishing for that reunion, stop wishing for things with our old characters. We have new characters that you love, you also already, like we are at season 4 with these characters. Stop. You had the old guys, you wanted to have them. We put them into this show for you, but we're not gonna create more stories around them, reunions and stuff like that. You can imagine them, you can do stuff with them, you know, into your mind, because you know that they exist, you know how they are standing right now, their personalities right now, so imagine that on your own, but we're not gonna give that to you. You know me too well, writers, you know your fans too well, and I understand that you're not gonna give that reunion. I would have loved it. But you know that it's okay, because I have a powerful imagination, and clearly I can imagine that into my mind, that reunion between Katara, Zuko, Toph, maybe Spirit Iroh. Now I'm almost sure that I'm not gonna have the reunion between Spirit Iroh and Zuko. On screen, I mean. But be sure that on my mind it exists, and it was amazing. I cried so much. I don't need for them to do it. I have such a powerful imagination that I can do it on my own. Like, I can transform ends of shows and movies when it's really not what I want. Like the end of How I Met Your Mother, I can't even remember the real one, because into my head it was wonderful. I couldn't do it for the 100. I would have too much work with that. Like, 2 seasons to transform, it's too much to ask me. But for other things, I can. Okay? So we had that with Toph, with Sue, with Lin, that was cool. Bolin who met his hero, that was so cool. And yes, I can imagine you as being a part of this family, Bolin. Oh, the family dinner with you, Toph, and all of them. Oh, I can imagine that. Your wedding also with Toph coming. Oh, no, that's gonna be so cool. Into my head, that's gonna be so cool. Julie, I knew it. Julie, I knew it. But you couldn't do that. Like, it was your way to keep an eye on what Kuvira was doing, to be sure that they wouldn't be able to make that weapon on time, to also learn all of this information. I knew it, Julie, that you couldn't be like that. After being loyal to Varric for so long, even if he was mistreating you, even if he was talking bad to you, just one little thing and you would switch that much? Not at all. Because you're in love too much with the guy, I really think so, but also because it's not your character. I love the fact that they took 3 seasons with this character who was such a minor character. Like Julie, she was really like, maybe Varric was the main character and I'm not even sure, but really Julie was behind him, and still during these 3 seasons we loved her for herself because we saw how loyal she was to him, and she had some funny lines and she had also some clever things, you know, she did some clever things and she was really there each time. Like, several times I said, Julie, I want something for her, I want her to be free, I want her to be released, you know, from Varric. And during this season 4, they really created something around her, with Varric, of course. That ship that now we have, or maybe that now was revealed. And to have something really about her who was a spy, you know, like you made us doubt about her, but not really. And she has such a place, and she's gonna play such a role, you know, because she has Kuvira's plan on mind. It's so cool. The fact that they can do that with such a minor character, the fact that they are doing that with Julie, what Julie is doing, everything is so cool around that. I'm so glad. I cannot wait for her to be reunited with Varric. And the fact that they made me ship this duo, you know, so quick, like, it's insane. It took me not even 2 episodes to ship these two together, to be, I want to see them together and all, like, it's insane. What you did with this minor character, it's so good. So 2 weeks, she's gonna attack in 2 weeks. She has the weapon. I mean, Kuvira, you know, she has that weapon. Oh, what Toph told her, like, what you're doing with Metal Bender, it's not good, like, you're making Metal Bender look bad or something like that. Like, thank you. Metal Benders, they are not that, you know, Kuvira is not representing them. They have that weapon, they're gonna attack in 2 weeks. We don't have the spirits with us. Like, I was on Korra's side, you know, with her explanation. You're a part of this world now, spirits. There is the spirit world, there is the human world, but now that you entered into our world, you are a part of this world also, so you should help when it's attacked. And yes, they are right, maybe we want to use them, but it's not really that. Like, it's not as a weapon, it's as people, an army, you know, like allies. And it's not to use them, it's really to have them on our side. It's more something like that. You are allies. And the fact that when something is going wrong into the human world, you're coming back into the spirit world, like that's it, it's not concerning us and all. Like, we're coming back to our home. It's not fair, like, you were not in vacation into the human world. No. I'm a little disappointed. I think that I'm gonna put the full reaction part on my Patreon for this episode, even if I'm gonna have to make a lot of cut into that reaction part, because I used that a lot and I made some tests also for the lights. We're finishing with that, with the lights. Like, again, I can't see you, but I think that you can see me. It's good. It's gonna be better for the second episode that I'm gonna watch today, the episode 11. I'm not gonna have the sun like that on me. But yes, I think that it's gonna be only 2 episodes today. That's already great. but I need to be sure that my voice is gonna be okay. I want to have a good Christmas, you know, with my family, to be able to talk to them, and also I want to have a good voice, you know, for this final episode. Cool, so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this review right now. It's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.